restoring from backups after an attack shouldn't mean risking reinfection. But without proper scanning, organizations are often left without confidence in the cleanliness of the data. Restore Scan adds an essential layer of hygiene by scanning backup data from malware and known indicators of compromise before it ever reaches the destination system. With built-in antivirus and optional IOC matching, it blocks threats during recovery, helping teams avoid reintroducing malware post-breach. Configure scan settings and apply global policies to your restores, such as skipping scan during device replacement or allowing admins to disable the scan. Enable Quick Scan to skip over common innocuous file types like images. Monitor jobs and get detailed file reports for which files were blocked and for what reason. Leverage the constantly updated Druva published IOC sets to make sure you're scanning for even the most recent known signatures. With Druva Restore Scan, admins gain centralized visibility, audit trails, and policy-based enforcement, ensuring every restore is clean, controlled, and aligned with incident response protocols.